Alright, you guys, I'm Carrie, and I wanted to make some Easter videos, so I looked up some Easter YTPs, and this one came up. This is YTP Tiny Birds Get Drunk on Easter by Waltman13. Now, Waltman13 has made a bunch of really good YTPs. Most notably, he hosted the Green Eggs and Ham collab, which is really funny. It's like 30 minutes long or something. This poop is not even 2 minutes. It's pretty short. It's a minute and 41 seconds, but I think it's like an Angry Birds Easter special poop. Which, I mean, I like Angry Birds. I have no idea what to expect here, but I know that Waltman13 poops are pretty good, so let's get started. Yeah, it's the Hatchlings from the Angry Birds movie. Eggs! Gotta throw in that Cat in the Hat eggs thing.
Sometimes our moms hide the eggs.
Go home, you're drunk.
The Easter bunny comes and the eggs. Start coming and they don't stop coming and they don't stop. I got cancer.
It's not funny. Not funny.
Here comes
Santa Claus.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. That'd be
really looks like a
breaking
dick.
the rules. You didn't seem to care about breaking the rules a couple of months ago.
and hides every egg.
Sonic.
She does it again. It's a he. No, it looks like a
Dildo.
No, it looks like a boy. Girl. Boy.
That was loud.
Boy. Girl. Hi.
Hi.
I don't want to sing anymore.
I feel that.
Happy Easter.
Just stop. Just stop it. Stop. No. Just stop it.
Yeah, stop it with stop it with the eggs, first of all. No, I'm just kidding. The egg joke is fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. That was a fun video. I'll probably do at least one more Easter video because I know there's not as many Easter videos as there are Christmas videos, but I love Easter. I think it's probably my favorite holiday. So I'm probably going to do at least one more Easter video, maybe two. So if you guys know any good like Easter YTPs, put them in the description for me, please. And hopefully I will get to reacting to them and uploading the videos for Easter weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Link to the original video and Waltman13's channel will be in the description. And as always, hope you guys have a great day.